haptic feedback. And just look at this Amarone Brown interior.
Taking a closer look at the Amarone Brown merino leather. The comfort in
Automatic flush door handles is seamless, perfectly complementing the striking two-tone oxide gray
shaped LED taillights, perfectly integrated into the two-tone exterior. Taking a closer look at the i7 steering wheel, we see the premium black leather and the aggressive flat-bottom styling. The haptic buttons here are incredibly responsive.
In 500 feet, turn right. Then your destination will be on the left.
The interaction bar isn't just for show, it integrates climate controls with haptic feedback. And just look at this Amarone Brown interior.
Taking a closer look at the Amarone Brown merino leather. The comfort in these front seats is truly exceptional, providing a serene luxury experience.
Now let's check out the trunk space. With the hands-free access, it opens right up, and the depth here is absolutely massive for a luxury sedan.